Hi, this is Mar Francisco Raqueles, and I'm here to present my second HTML assignment. Um, Here is the output of my second HTML CSS assignment titled Screen 2. This is the header of the HTML document with a navigation here at the top and a search bar with a search button, and we can also find the main navigation composed of home, about, get free BSD, documentation, community, developers, support, and foundation. uh, we can find here the left navigation, the left side, with the series of links, then the right content composed of paragraphs and also some links, and an ordered list and a ordered list. Now we go to my code. I declare my document as a doc type HTML5. Then the HTML tag, then the head tag. Inside the head tag there's a title, screen 2, meta name description, meta name keywords, and also I put the link of the style sheet and the file name of the CSS file. Then inside the body I created a division wrapper, then the division header composed of the head 1, the head 2, head 3, the head 4, and head part. Then inside the head 2 division there's a head text, then the head 3 inside the the content of head 3 are the head top and the head bottom. Then inside the head top, division head top, is the division head navigation, which composed of the navigation here, this navigation series of links. Then inside the head boot, the division bootstrap, I put a form, which is the search box here, then the button, the search button. Then also create the division main navigation, which is in order, unordered list here. Then the left navigation also in unordered list, this left navigation. Then the right content composed of the headings, the example like h3, h5. Then put the division content 1 with the unordered list and series of links. Then content 2, content 3, content 4, and content 5. Also I put some paragraph here, paragraph, and an ordered list and unordered list. Here is the unordered list and here's the ordered list. Then my CSS file, put a margin of 0 pixels, padding at 0 pixels. Then the body, put the font family as Calibre, where all inside the body the font family is Calibre. Then the wrapper, put the specify the width, height as auto, margin as auto. Then the header, put the mid as auto, height as 74 pixels. Then the head one, I put float as left. Then the background image, then also specify the width and the height. Also on the head to up to head 4. Then the division main nav, also put float left, also the background image, and specify the height and the width, and also the border, this border here as 1 pixel solid, and the color. Then the main nav, the UL, then the main navigation link, main navigation paragraph. Then the left navigation, also put float left with the specified width and the margin. This margin, this first value is the top margin, then the right, bottom, and the left margin. Then the background color, also put the border, and the left navigation, the right content, also put float left with the width and the margin, also the padding, also followed by same value and same declaration. And that's all for the code, and thank you.